Hey, what's up, everybody? Finished up my pallet forks a little while back. Forgot to make another video. Got another set. Gonna be building. But yeah, these forks here are a little too big for this tractor. But that's okay, because I can just get a smaller set or build something. But let me lift it up and walk you guys through what's going on. Here they are, all finished out. Really nothing to them. Pretty simple. Couldn't justify spending $500, $600, $700 on a set when I could just build it myself. Really couldn't. Had a bunch of scrap laying around. Figure why the hell not. Pretty much just figured out even spacing for these. I have it to where there's a slot directly in the center here. So you can, with these forks, you can have them centered up together. You can have just one. So if you have, say, a different attachment, like a boom with a hook on it, you can put that and lock that right into place, right in the center there. And then I have them, forget what the distance is out there, but then you can have them all the way out. I would have made them go all the way to the end here, but I didn't quite have the angle iron for that, but that's fine. So that's pretty much that. These forks weigh about 115 pounds a piece. I got to build a set for my dad. Those are 42s, but they're 3 inches wide instead of 5. And they weigh about 90 pounds as opposed to 115, but they're also going on a Bx23s Kubota, not a subcompact. They'll be going on a compact. Still got the old Gravely. Decided not to sell it because I keep beating the hell out of it instead of fucking up my good mower deck. That's alright. Next thing to build is going to be the grapple, the thumb attachment for that. I'll probably end up getting one of those piranha bars for my bucket though. That'd be nice. But see, if you got any questions on how I built this or what material I used or whatever, shoot me a message. I'm sure I'll be posting some more videos of building that set here shortly, so